I'm Andrea Smith with CE Week TV. We are here at CE Week 2014 at the Revolv booth. I'm with Mike D. Thank you for being here with us.
Happy to be here.
Revolv is something that we saw at CES, a really cool platform that kind of unifies all the smart connected devices in your home.
Right.
I'm doing your job for you.
Right, good.
So now tell me what's new, what's going on, and you won Best of Show.
Yeah, we did win Best of Show, which was nice, in the other category because they didn't have this particular one for Connected Home. But what's new is we're out here showing our new Android version of the app. So we'll be shipping that or opening that up in July. But in the meantime, Revolv is the most powerful home automation hub and app in the world, right? And we're talking to lights, locks, thermostats, and several other different product categories, and products made by the biggest brands in the world: Sonos, Nest, Philips Hue, Belkin, Wemo, Insteon, and the like.
So for instance, people are early adopters right now, but as people are kind of getting on board and putting this stuff in their house, like the Yale lock, and here we have the Philips Hue,
Right.
We've got all of these things that everyone knows they kind of don't all talk to each other, and so you are the unifying translator?
That's right. I think, the promise of the smart home is that lights, locks, thermostats, and other gear would be relatively inexpensive, very well made, and you'd be able to manage them all together, right? The truth of the smart home is that lights, locks, and thermostats are all being made, but they're not made to work together. So that's what we do. We unify all that and allow you to automate the process of coming home, going away, whatever you want to do.
And you're using that, now you're showing the Android app, but this is all with one app, so now you don't need the Philips app, the Yale app, all the other apps.
So without Revolv, when I leave my house, I've got 9 apps controlling all the different devices in my house, and leaving the home is a pain. I've got to open 4 or 5 apps to close them when I leave the house. With Revolv, it all happens in one app, and I can do that with a touch of a button, or our hub can watch me leave the home with a phone in my pocket and do all that for me.
That's awesome. Talk to me a little bit, a lot of people are familiar with the Nest thermostat. Yep. That's one of the big ones that are on the market. So, you've worked with Nest, but now their API is open, and so you'll have an official partner?
That's exactly right. So they opened up their API partnership just this week. We're in the process of certifying our device with them, and once we do that, we'll be working officially with Nest. That's right.
And we have Apple coming out with their HomeKit, also trying to unify all this. Do you think that at some point in the near future, all of this is going to be easy enough that mainstream consumers are going to want these devices in their home?
That's really the question, isn't it? Is it going to be easy enough? Because at the end of the day, we can unify all this stuff, but if we don't make it easy for the consumer, they're not going to adopt. So it's got to be right priced, inexpensive, and easy. I think the short answer to your question is yeah. The real question is how long is it going to take the market to kind of really get there?
And to get comfortable with it.
That's right.
Yeah. Now, how much is this?
So the app is free, but the hub is $299, so a free hub and app. There are no monthly charges or other reoccurring fees.
And then you can just add on individual connected devices, and they'll all join seamlessly.
Right. So every quarter we're adding more devices. Now we've got almost 100. In July we'll add about another 15 or 20 devices, and every quarter we'll add more connected devices for your home.
Awesome. Great. I look forward to seeing what's next. Lots of possibilities from Revolv. I'm Andrea Smith for CE Week TV.